Welcome back. We're joined now by Byron Elton. He's the President and Chief Operating Officer of Carbon Sciences Incorporated. CABN is a stock symbol. Byron, good to see you again.
Thank you, Don.
Now, what your company does is really cool, and pardon my 16-year-old language here, but I mean, you're basically taking CO2 emissions and you're able to convert them to actual fuels. Tell us about that.
We do, and it is cool. We're a technology company with a very single focus, and that's turning CO2 into gasoline and other fuels. The reason that's important is because the world is facing some pretty serious challenges, both from an energy standpoint and from a climate standpoint. The demand for energy, as we sit here today, is the highest it's ever been, and it's going up. Matter of fact, we anticipate that in the next 20 years, that's about 5 Summer Olympics from now, the demand for energy will be 50% higher than it is today.
Wow.
So the question, well, where's that energy going to come from? Where's that fuel going to come from? And what is the attendant impact on the environment? So we believe that the most important question facing all of us is there a way to make renewable and sustainable liquid portable fuels that, and this is important, can fit into the existing infrastructure? So our technology answers that question very enthusiastically with yes we can and yes we will.
Okay, so we're going to basically use technology that we have existing right now. We're not going to create dilithium crystals or something like that.
That's exactly right. Well, science always solves, technology solves problems. Government doesn't, as we talked about last time we were here. The way we do it's very, very interesting and very cool, by the way, to use your vernacular, and that's a biocatalytic process, which we talked about. It's interesting when we think about how Mother Nature does it, and does it very, very well, although over millions and millions of years. It starts with CO2, absorbed by plants. The plants are buried over millions of years. We dig it up and refine it and throw it into our existing infrastructure. That's essentially what we're doing. We start with CO2, just like Mother Nature. We apply our biocatalytic process to it, but in a matter of hours, not millions of years, we come out with fuel. And again, importantly, goes right back into the existing infrastructure.
What's new at the company since we spoke a couple of weeks ago?
Well, we're forging ahead for our prototype. We'll have a working prototype at our facilities in Santa Barbara. Love to have you come down and see that, by the way.
I'd love to see that.
And that is where we will, our Dr. Aslam, our inventor of this technology, our Chief Technology Officer, we'll be showing CO2 being introduced into the biocatalytic process, and then in a matter of time, we'll have some fuel. We'll hand you a lighter, and you'll walk over and you'll set it on fire.
Wow, wow, remarkable. And this is happening about when?
Our goal was always by the end of this quarter, and we will make that and probably beat it. So it is a matter of weeks, but certainly before the end of March.
Well, really exciting. We definitely want to be there. Again, Carbon Sciences, CABN is a stock symbol. For more information, call us toll-free from anywhere in the world, 888-259-4449. Byron, as always, thanks so much.
Thank you, Don.